Today, you and I are gonna talk about Mother's Day gift ideas. But first, let's talk about today's tacos. Today we have a fish taco because it's my mom's favorite type of taco. So let's go give it to her. As always, make sure you stay to the end of this video to hear this week's tip for next week's taco. Mother's Day is a really special day, but remember, even if you don't have a mom, celebrate the people that care about you. A mom doesn't always have to be a mom. It can be grandparents, sisters, cousins, aunts, dads, anybody really. One of the first gift ideas is a coupon book. You can make one or you can buy one, and they're just filled with a bunch of fun things you and your mom or any special person can do together. Gift number 2. Get your mom or special person some flowers. Flowers are just so pretty and so perfect. These are fake because my mom's allergic, but get them some real ones. They will be so happy. Gift number 3 is a picture frame. You can DIY one like I did, or you can go buy one and just stick your favorite pictures of you and your mom in it. Gift number 4. Get your mom a big ol' mug because it takes a lot of energy to be a mom because kids are filled with energy. So this would be a perfect coffee cup for her in the morning. Can never run out of coffee with this. Gift number 5. Get her some sweet treats. This one would be a bonus because she might even give one to you. Mother's Day is a really special day, and you don't always have to buy someone something. You can make it, or anything that just comes from the heart, you know, our moms or loved ones will absolutely love. Now it's time for next week's hint for next week's taco. We're gonna switch this thing up a little bit. We're gonna play a game of charades. I'm really excited for it, so I hope you guys get it. Do you guys get it? So, what do you think I'm doing? Pick your answer in the poll. Do you think I'm walking? Do you think I'm swimming? Do you think I'm hiking to the summit? Do you think I'm walking a dog? Which one do you think? Pick. See you guys next week.